Time to board the draft. Oh shit, stay true.
Us, the AP glitches sound like thunder. Hit him one time in his eye. Draco shield gon' put you under. We was outside with them nicks. 30S ain't had no button. 19X up with the back. Call up Lil Stain, make it stutter.
I don't think we can compete with this, man. Alright, y'all boys, we'll go back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV. We got the brand new 2022 Hellcat, of course. We got my boy TJ1K, Cam the SS, and we got a header tune, Cam stock C. What? And we got a header tune and Cam C6 right here. And my boy Marco here, but he
the best car of all, the flame tune G37. You feel me? It's two flames. It go like 200. None of y'all mess with me for real. Y'all see it?
Oh, what the? I don't think we can compete with this, man. Shit, we finna go to the mall real quick. I gotta get my Instagram on the side of my car, and I gotta get some Auntie Anne's. You know, that's mandatory. I am just a tad bit sick though, so I might be sniffing a little bit, but I'm gonna try to keep it to a minimum. But I'll catch y'all boys in the car.
Come on, like who wanna bubble the center? We jumping out cars, we aiming for froze. The first nigga like gon' get it. And the AP loud, Lamo got 40, we bouncing out, switching a sprinter. And the AP, come on, come on, come on. Ain't nobody playing with us.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's like, bro, my scat, like, when I get sideways, I mean to do it. Or sometimes I don't, but most of the time I did. But this, I don't even mean to get sideways at the time. My tires is cold too, though. I probably should have did a burnout to warm up. Also, make sure y'all comment down below what mods y'all want to see on this car. Performance, cosmetic, whatever it be. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want to see. I can smell the E85 coming out his car, bruh. Oh. Time to board the draft. Oh shit, stay true. Bro, I was gonna say time to board the drag strip. Stay true got on the highway for sure. Gotta make sure that state troop don't try to get us doing some dumb shit. Oh snap! Is that SRT Tyson? ran into my homeboy Pops. They got a scat. I'm weak. Bro, these NPC cars don't move, man. Come on, what you doing? Ain't really nowhere for us to go for real. To let TJ go ahead. I hate the feeling of being sick, like. Boy, TJ gone over there, boy. I don't know where Don went. We done lost his lad. I'm finna get lost, bro. These people can't drive. Like, come on, man. I'm boxed in right now. Nowhere for us to go, bruh. I hear how congested it is right now. Yeah, see, now that turning stuff, he can do that, I can't. You see how much my car just downshifted trying to help me with this turn? Heck no, I ain't risking my life for that, boy. This kind of bring me back to my first video I ever dropped, man. We was driving to the mall, me, TJ, and Marco. Make sure I lock in on the road. My car ain't meant for these curves now. Let lock in real quick. Slide in the parking lot for real, boy. But we ain't gonna do that to these folks' establishment. I don't know where Lil Don went. We lost that boy.
Too hot on that highway, bro.
Nah, for real.
Pulled over on that exit.
Nah, I didn't.
Bro, right before the 63 exit, you know how it emerges, whatever.
Yeah.
Bro, it was like 2 state troopers pulled somebody over.